Hi, this is Phil from DDL. We're going to give you options today. So basically you've got a job to do. You're cutting a concrete floor or a brick wall now, but the problem you've got is just internal. So you can't use like fumes with desk cutters and stuff like that. So our option today is electric saw. Now the bonus of this saw is you're going from the standard 12-inch blade going up to a 14. So you're a lot bigger blade straight away. That's the next problem we've got there. So the situation is, this machine then also has we've got the dust situation where you would have the disc cutter, not a problem. This particular machine also has water feed. So you'll get either your pressure washer bottle or a hose pipe connection, and obviously you'll then connect on, you will have water feed to it. The dust is now kept to a very minimum. Obviously, it's a big draw on power. Before you use this machine, obviously make sure you check. So before you use the machine, make sure you're checking through the cable for any cuts or any damage. Obviously it has in there, disregarding one side. So as I said, it's a brilliant machine for the simple reason is it's 14-inch as opposed to 12 on size of cut. So it will give you that extra few inches of safety depth, especially going through a wall, and you can use it internally or externally. And pretty much straightforward. Unscrewing your nut. Take the top flange off, locate your blade, make sure your blade direction is right, really important. If you can't see an arrow on your blade, some do, some don't, then look on the blade for the little, what we call comet tails, which is a diamond with a little tail at the back of it. Follow the direction of that with your nail, you'll see which way it then cuts. Let's get your blade, make sure it's located in properly. And tighten up. Make sure it's nice and tight. This machine does have a lock off button at the back. So when you turn the blade like a grinder, it locks in. So then that way you can make sure it's really tight. Obviously for doing any cutting, very important. Obviously again, if you're on a building site, make sure you have your full PPE, hard hat, because you can still have that percentage of dust, face mask and eye protection. And of course, gloves. Okay, now you have all your full PPE on, you're ready to go with your machine. Again, remember everybody else around you before you start this. This machine does have a big pull when it starts off. Hold it carefully, and obviously cut it down at a slow rate. Hopefully this helps you out, no end, to get your work done. And we'll see you again soon.